guys, what is up and welcome to the vlog and happy Valentine's Day. I know by the time you're gonna see this video it's gonna be like a week later, but it is Valentine's Day today. I love love and I love my husband, so we are actually going on like a mini weekend getaway this weekend. It's nothing too crazy. We're just gonna be driving to Niagara Falls and just staying in a hotel there, but it is something we haven't done in quite a while, so I'm very excited. The main reason for this little getaway is obviously Valentine's, but we are starting our IVF in like 7, 8, 9 days. This is pretty much the last weekend we have before the chaos starts. So we just want to enjoy it together, have some alone time, have some fun, and yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So far I have all of my clothes and everything else but my toiletries laid out. So I kind of want to show you. We'll start over here. Obviously it's important for us to bring our prenatals, so all of this stuff and some Brazil nuts, we eat those daily. Content creator side of me, I'm bringing my Canon G7X for photos, Polaroid camera. I don't know if we'll use it, but I'm gonna bring it anyways. Some extra Polaroids, a tripod, this is a light, and then this is just like a USB thing for my SD card. I'm an overpacker, but honestly, this is good for me. 3 outfits for 2 days. Hell yeah, Kayla. This outfit for sure I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow night. That's like the main night we're gonna be there. And I figured with the red jeans, I'll do a red bag. And then I have 2 more like kind of casual outfits. This one you could dress up, so I could totally wear these black cargos with that same white shirt, but I'm just gonna bring this white cropped hoodie, and then I have this like really comfortable 2-piece knit set from Shein. There's supposed to be another snowstorm this weekend. I don't know how much like outdoor stuff we're gonna be doing, so I feel like if we're gonna be doing more indoor stuff, then I would just rather be like casual and comfy. I have my pajamas, an eye mask, underwear, socks, bra. I bought a little something to wear for the weekend, and then I put together this cute little Valentine's Day basket for the hubby. So there's a card as well. We're gonna go to a comedy show, so I bought the tickets for that, and then I put an energy drink in here, some Pringles, these cinnamon bears from Smart Sweet. I bought him an Old Spice deodorant, and then these are his favorite chocolates, Kinder Bueno. Also, I'm scared. This is our laundry and I literally do not have time to do it before we go, so that's gonna be awaiting me when we come back. In the bathroom now, gotta tackle makeup, toiletries, that type of stuff. I am going to bring a straightener. I don't need to actually straighten my hair. My hair is literally pin straight, but I like using a straightener to wave it instead of a curling iron. I'm gonna also bring a brush. I'm gonna bring one of my skincare headbands. Love those. Honestly, I probably don't need all of this makeup, but I do not feel like just like picking out what I need to bring, so I'm just gonna bring the whole thing. So this is makeup, this is brushes. I also recently just bought this eyelash adhesive from Amazon because I brought some eyelashes. These are the lashes though, they're just from Shein. They literally kind of just go on the ends to make it look more natural and longer. I don't know, I'm gonna try them. I have all of these like toiletry bags, but I think I'm just gonna use this one that says stuff. So random things I'm bringing is a nighttime face mask, my perfume, deodorant, and some makeup remover wipes. My husband is going to lose his shit when he comes home and sees that I'm packing everything in a carry-on suitcase. But you know what? I was actually kindly gifted this suitcase from an Amazon brand called Level 8, like literally level, L-E-V-E-L, and then the number 8. And I have not even had the chance to use it. And my husband has gone on work trips and he's taken this. He's used it before me. So you know what? Hell yeah, I'm gonna use it for our weekend getaway. Alright, suitcase is all done. I threw Alan's little gift on top. I set out my clothes that I'm gonna wear tomorrow. I just need to add this content creator stuff plus like my wallet and whatever that's over there. I'll do that in the morning. Saturday. We are in Niagara and we are finally in the hotel room. There is a huge snowstorm coming again this weekend and we already had this booked. I think, did I mention this yesterday? I don't know, but it's been booked for a few weeks, so to reschedule it and cancel it or whatever, it was impossible. So we're making the most of it. We got up early this morning and headed down to Niagara before the snow started. We went out to this place called Falls Manor. Alan has been there with his family like a bunch of times. We had a very cheap breakfast. It was $9.99 each. And then we went to the nail salon. I thought it was gonna be empty because it was snowing, but it was packed. Anyways, we ended up getting pedicures, which were much needed. We are staying at the Days Inn on Clifton Hill, and I quickly just want to show you guys the room. When you first walk in, this is what it looks like. I will show you this first. This is the bathroom. They actually gave us a handicap room, so we have the shower with like the accessibility. There is this big shelf with towels, an iron. We have the toilet right beside the sink. I'm a little bit upset because I really love full sinks, so that's fine, but I have a huge mirror, which is really nice. And then this is the room. We have a big king size bed. Alan is laying on it. There is 2 nightstands. We have an alarm clock lamp. There is a board if I want to iron. We have a really big TV. There is like a little desk here with another mirror, a lamp. We got the telephone, a little coffee thing that we're never going to use because we don't drink coffee. And then the window here with our very, very beautiful view. And if you didn't understand that, that was sarcasm. We're gonna take a drive down just to kind of see what's going on Clifton Hill and the Strip, because the snow honestly is pretty much stopped, but the roads aren't really clear. There's like nobody really out, which is so sad to see. This is the Niagara Speedway. If you guys have never done this in the summer, so much fun. We did a quick little drive around Clifton Hill, just went to Dollarama. I did. Alan was nice enough to wait in the warm car.
I kept the car warm.
And picked up a few things. So we got some snacks just to have in the hotel room. Lay's barbecue chips. There you go. We got some Gatorade. We've been drinking this a lot lately. I picked up 2 waters, even though I did bring some, but just in case we run out because I drink a lot of water. We forgot a phone charger, so I just picked up a little cheapy one.
This will work for 4 hours.
Yeah, this will work for probably 4 hours, but that's fine. And then I also forgot chapstick, so I just picked that up because right now it is 5:25 and I am gonna get ready. So I'm gonna put some makeup on and then touch up my hair. The lighting is not the best, but we're gonna make it work. So tonight's plan, we are gonna go to dinner. I think we decided on TGIF's, and I don't think I've actually ever gone there before. We were looking at a steakhouse. It was called STK Steakhouse, and we looked at the reviews and the prices, and then we were just like, I don't think I want to go there. Honestly, I'm not like craving anything. I feel like tonight maybe I just might have like a salad with chicken or something. I don't know. Both Alan and I's stomachs have been like a little bit wonky. After we eat dinner, we are gonna go to Yuck Yucks, which is just like a little comedy place. The tickets were so expensive. They were like $40 each, so 80 bucks, and then there was like some sort of service charge or fee, so it ended up being $100. So it better be a good show. Sorry, just had a little minor interruption from my hubby. He had to come use the washroom. Literally don't even remember what I was talking about. Anyways, so after dinner, I think that's where I kind of left off. We are going to Yuck Yucks. We're going to go to the comedy show. And then after that, we are going to head to Fallsview Casino. And I think we might go do some gambling with blackjack. We might just go with like 100 or 200 bucks and just have some fun and see, like, even if we make 100 bucks, I would be happy with that. That would pay for our dinner. I'm gonna try and put those lashes on I showed you guys yesterday, and I'm gonna do my mascara, but off camera. In a bit of a rush, but quickly wanted to show you guys the final look. I have been just trying this, like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just using my straightener and I'm just like curling the ends, and it makes it look like a blowout, like a quick ass blowout. This is the outfit I'm wearing, the red jeans that I got. These are from Just Black Denim, and then this white top is from Garage. The lighting is terrible, but makeup is looking really good. I did try to put the lashes on, but they were way too dramatic. I need to cut them down a little bit on the ends, and I just don't have the time for that. So We're just going with my natural lashes, and that is the look. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I totally lied. We're going to the keg instead. It's quite literally across the street. Happy Sunday. Last night we had so much fun. We went to the Yuck Yucks show, and then after that we walked across the street to go to Fallsview Casino. US was playing Canada, and Alan put a bet in that there would be under 6.5 goals, which there was, so he won double his money. We ended up catching like the second period, the second half of it, and then all of the third period. We just sat at the like sports bar thing. It was actually really nice. They have like big screens. It was like really nice. We had some carrot cake cheesecake that was really good. I had a green tea because my stomach last night, I don't know what's going on, maybe it's TMI, but your girl's been a little bit backed up. Today we were gonna hang out and maybe like go to the arcade and go bowling and stuff, but I think we might head home a little bit early because we are getting a crap ton of snow. We already checked Waze and it says it's gonna take us 2 hours to get home, and it's like barely even snowing right now, and that's about like 40 minutes longer than it normally takes. So I think the safe bet is for us to kind of just get home. We have to check out by 11, and I think it's like 10:30 right now, so I am just getting ready for the morning, and then I need to finish packing things up. We need to get some food because I'm starving. Bless you. We have cameras at home and we already checked, and there's so much snow, so it's gonna be interesting. Very interesting. We haven't ate yet. We're gonna try this Triple O's burgers. Quite literally, I've never heard it before, and we haven't had breakfast, but it's 11 o'clock, so we're just gonna have this. I don't know if this is like, oh, they have halal options. Cool. I don't know if this is like an American chain. I've never seen this before. We're gonna just give it a try. This is hilarious. We tried going through the drive-thru, but they didn't plow it, and we're not trying to get stuck, so we're gonna walk in. They have the literal open sign on, so. Okay, we got so much food. So I got a cheeseburger. It looks like there's lettuce, tomato, cheese, mayo, ketchup, and it has a pickle on top. I got sweet potato fries and this Chipotle mayo. They have a deal today for the chicken tenders, so we got those with onion rings, and then Alan also wanted to try a burger, so we got that. The girl working at the front desk said that this is actually a Canadian chain, but I've never seen them before, so I guess there's another location in Vancouver, but apparently they're gonna start opening them more in Ontario, so that's very interesting. Honestly, we're not that hungry, but I heard about this place called Country Fresh Donuts. Somebody on Instagram, one of like my IVF social media friends, recommended it because I posted that we were coming to Niagara, so we stopped there. First of all, that place smelled so good. We got a dozen because we're gonna bring them home, and there was so many different flavors. So we got the classic curler, we got 2 cherry curlers, we got a regular coconut, a white coconut, a chocolate glaze, 2 sugar twists, and a walnut curler.
Jeez.
I don't know, like I want to try a little bit of each.
Well, we can do that at home too. We'll cut them in pieces and we'll taste them. I'm not even like...
We gotta do a little taste test. I want to try the cherry one. I think that's what I had my eye on. I'll just show you guys what it looks like. Oh my god, cherry. Mm-hmm. Oh wow, that tastes like the cherry.
That's not a small bite.
Of this one?
Good, man. I'm so full.
I'm a sucker for donuts. You're staring at them though. I know you want to eat more.
No, I'm so good. Like.
But we need to get home. It's getting a shit storm out now, so bye.